All right, let's go over how to do a dashed stroke. If you look carefully at this one here, there's little dashes around it instead of a solid stroke. We'll take a look at this in Photoshop. So I've drawn a shape here. Instead of using the FX button to add your stroke, what you're going to do is go to the top of the screen, and this works only with shapes. So if you need to do it to text, you would turn the text to a shape first. And then up here at the top, you have your fill, that's the inside, and then you have your stroke. So let's say I want to have a blue stroke. I'll choose the color. And then I'll make it bigger just so you can see it. But if I make it bigger, you will see that it is just a blue solid stroke right there. If I click off of it, you can see. All right. So right next to that is another little box, and this is your stroke options. And you can see dashes and you can see dots. And so I can come here and choose which one that I want. It will be bigger based on the size of the stroke. So if you want it smaller and you make it the numbers littler, then they will appear smaller. And then if you need to change where that stroke is, you click on the align button. So right now it's aligning on the inside. You could align right on the edge, or you could align on the outside, which would be around your shape. I'll make it around so you can see. See how it's on the outside? In Photopea, this is basically the same thing. Let me pop over to Photopea real quick. I've got my shape drawn here. Here's your button for your stroke. The type means none, a color, a gradient, or a pattern. So I'll choose here for color and then pick my color. So I'll say blue again, pick your size, and then there's that drop down. Here down at the bottom is where we find dashes or dots. And then position, there's your inside, your outside, or whichever that you want. And that is basically how to do dashed or dotted strokes.